guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining in. So this fall season, instead of carving pumpkins, I'm actually going to acrylic pour paint them. So if you end up liking this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because it'll definitely help support me. So without further ado, let's go check it out. So I already went ahead and pre-mixed my orange acrylic paint, white, and black. Next, we're just going to layer all those three different colors into the one separate container. Next, you're just going to slowly pour all of your colors at the top of the pumpkin and let it run down. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video on how to acrylic pour paint pumpkins for this fall season. And if you did, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because it definitely helps support me. And I'll see you guys back next time. Take care.